A critical bottleneck machine sits at the center of the production line. Thousands of components pass through it daily. If it stops dead, the repair cost is only a fraction of the total loss. Idle labor piles up, materials back up on the line, customer deliveries are delayed. A single hour of unexpected downtime easily costs a facility tens of thousands of dollars. Historically, factories manage this through three flawed strategies. The first is reactive maintenance, or run to failure. The organization simply operates the asset until it breaks. For a light bulb, that makes economic sense. For a high-speed industrial press, letting a $10 bearing shatter mid-cycle destroys the surrounding hardware and halts production entirely. The second strategy is preventive maintenance. Facilities replace components based on a strict calendar or usage schedule. Technicians swap out perfectly healthy parts simply because 3 months have passed. This approach wastes labor, discards viable components, and still misses the unpredictable, premature failures that happen between scheduled inspections. The third approach is condition-based maintenance. A sensor triggers an alarm when a single metric crosses a hard limit, a temperature gets too high, or a vibration gets too rough. By the time that alarm sounds, the physical deterioration is usually obvious, and the machine is already on the brink of catastrophic failure. Predictive maintenance eliminates these rigid choices. An artificial intelligence system simultaneously monitors multiple sensors, analyzing long-term trends and comparing variables. It detects a 1% change in motor vibration, interacting with a slight increase in electrical current, identifying micro-deterioration weeks in advance. The machine still requires repair, but by identifying the subtle patterns of early wear, Predictive AI converts chaotic, unplanned downtime into a scheduled, controlled intervention. Every mechanical asset degrades. The engineering challenge is identifying the precise moment that degradation begins, long before the equipment physically breaks. This chart maps the downward trajectory of equipment health. Reliability engineers call it the PF curve, and it tracks how a machine degrades over time. The letter P marks the exact point where a potential failure first becomes detectable. The letter F represents functional failure, the moment the equipment stops working. Between P and F lies the critical window for action. Traditional condition-based monitoring waits until the damage is severe. Its alarm threshold sits far down the curve, practically touching the F point. By the time the warning arrives, the maintenance team has almost no time to react. A predictive AI model operates entirely differently. It detects the complex, low-level anomalies that appear right after point P, securing a massive early intervention window. The system might notice that a motor requires slightly more current to maintain the same output, while simultaneously producing a faint acoustic pattern at one specific frequency. Neither signal breaks a traditional alarm threshold, but together they map precisely to the early stages of a bearing fault. The objective of industrial AI is not to predict the exact second a gear will shatter. The objective is to maximize the actionable warning interval so the facility can prepare. A predictive model requires constant physical evidence. It relies on continuous data streams from vibration, thermal, acoustic, and electrical sensors mounted directly to the equipment. This visualization shows raw sensor data, and it is incredibly dense. A vibration sensor recording a complex machine produces a chaotic, overlapping mess of time domain signals. Every moving part vibrates at once. To isolate specific problems, engineers apply a mathematical transformation, converting that messy time domain wave into the frequency domain. This separates the noise into individual mechanical sources. One distinct frequency peak maps to the general rotational speed of the motor. Another maps exactly to the specific geometry of a gear tooth or a rolling bearing. Even clean sensor data can be completely misleading if isolated from the machine's operating conditions. If an asset is processing a heavier material, its temperature and vibration will naturally increase. A model examining those signals independently might trigger a severe alarm on a machine that is simply doing more work. Advanced predictive systems continuously compare the physical sensor data against the exact production load at that exact moment. They analyze what the machine is doing relative to what the machine is currently being asked to do. Training these models introduces a severe statistical hurdle, known as the label problem. Industrial equipment is generally reliable. Critical machines do not break every day. This grid illustrates the disparity. A facility might possess 1 million green data points of perfectly healthy operation, and only 5 red dots representing a genuine structural failure. Standard supervised machine learning fails here. If a model simply guesses that the machine is healthy every single time, it achieves extremely high apparent accuracy, while completely missing the few rare failures that actually matter. Instead, engineers deploy unsupervised anomaly detection. The system studies the massive volume of healthy data to learn the exact baseline of normal behavior. It doesn't look for a specific named fault. It flags any complex deviation from that established baseline. These anomaly models are then fused with physical engineering principles. A hybrid model combines machine learning patterns with the strict mathematical laws of heat transfer, mechanical stress, and component fatigue. Relying purely on historical statistics leaves dangerous blind spots. True predictive accuracy requires anchoring the artificial intelligence to the actual physics of the machine. When a factory changes a material type, upgrades a tool, or increases production speed, the AI encounters conditions entirely absent from its training data. This causes domain shift, eroding the model's accuracy until it is recalibrated. This matrix shows a strict mathematical trade-off that every predictive model operates on, the balance between precision and recall. Pushing the model toward maximum recall ensures it catches every conceivable fault. The trade-off is a massive spike in false positives. The system floods the floor with unnecessary warnings, halting production to inspect perfectly healthy machines. Pushing the model toward maximum precision guarantees that every alert generated is absolutely real. But this dramatically increases the rate of false negatives. The model stays silent, and a catastrophic breakdown occurs with zero warning. If a poorly tuned system generates constant false positives, technicians experience alert fatigue. They start ignoring the low-value notifications. Eventually, they assume a genuine critical alert is just another glitch, and the machine is destroyed. Generating a high volume of alerts is easy. Tuning an AI to deliver precise, actionable intelligence without overwhelming the maintenance team requires continuous operational discipline. An AI dashboard displaying an 80% failure probability creates exactly zero value. The prediction only matters when the organization converts it into a scheduled physical repair. This workflow illustrates the closed loop. The predictive system must connect directly into the facility's computerized maintenance management system. A validated alert automatically checks inventory, identifies available technicians, and generates a structured work order. This workflow forces the facility to confront supply chain constraints. An AI warning of a gearbox failure 4 weeks from now is useless if the required replacement part has a 12-week procurement lead time. Prediction dictates inventory strategy. When the technician executes the work order, they inspect the machine and record what they find. That physical confirmation, whether it was early bearing damage or a false alarm, is fed directly back into the AI to refine its accuracy. This process prevents automation bias. If technicians blindly accept a high-confidence AI diagnosis of a failed bearing, they stop investigating. They might swap the bearing, entirely missing that the actual root cause was a loose concrete foundation causing the vibration. Human override must remain absolute. Reliability engineers require the authority to reject a prediction, request a manual inspection, or halt production entirely if a hard safety limit is breached. The most advanced industrial maintenance program is not the one with maximum algorithmic autonomy. It is the architecture that seamlessly fuses clean sensor data, statistical probability, and experienced human judgment to act decisively exactly when it matters most.